Hey everyone, it's Anne here. If you've gone through a consumer proposal and are wondering if you can still get a mortgage in Edmonton, this video is for you. I'll break down the steps to help you qualify and get back on track to home ownership. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more real estate tips. First, most lenders require a waiting period after completing your consumer proposal. Here's what you need to know. Banks, or A lenders, usually require 2 years of good credit history after your proposal is completed. Alternative lenders, or B lenders, might consider you after 1 year if you've rebuilt your credit. Private lenders could approve you immediately, but expect higher interest rates and a bigger down payment. To qualify for a mortgage, you need to show lenders that you're financially responsible. Here's how you can rebuild your credit. Get a secured credit card and make regular payments. Pay all bills on time. This includes utilities, phone bills, and rent. Keep your credit card balances low, below 30% of your limit. Avoid taking on new debts or missing payments. A bigger down payment can help you get better mortgage options. Here's what to expect. Banks may require 5 to 10% down after a consumer proposal. Alternative lenders often ask for 20% or more. Private lenders might need even more, so saving up is key. Not all lenders will work with you right away, but a mortgage broker can help you find the right one. They specialize in helping people with past credit issues and can guide you toward getting approved. Before you start house hunting, it's important to get pre-approved. This will tell you how much you qualify for and what interest rates you can expect. If you need a trusted mortgage broker in Edmonton, I'd be happy to connect you. I hope this video helped you understand how to get a mortgage after a consumer proposal. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more real estate tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.